Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine at home. As you all know, we have to stay indoors, so I, Ms. Jessica, will be teaching your craft through this video. So now, this question is specially for girls. So girls, can you all tell me when you all were small, which toys you would like to play with? Yes, so dolls. So girls would like to play with dolls. So today we are going to learn how to make a paper doll. So let's start with the video. So our today's topic is doll. Step 1. You're going to fold your paper into half, triangle shape, crease it well, unfold it, get a center line. Yes. Now step 2. Both the flaps, you're going to fold it towards the center line. Fold it properly. Again crease it well. Same way the other side. Step 3. You get this triangle here. Now taking the help of this line, you're going to fold this triangle downwards. Again crease it well. Done. Step 4. Now taking the tip more than half of this, you're going to fold it upwards, and when you fold it upwards, this tip should go out of this line. So this way. Crease it well. Done. Step 5. Now we get a big triangle here. Now this side and this side, with the help of this triangle edges, I'm going to fold this inwards, this flap and this flap inwards. Done. Now step number 6. You're going to flip your paper back, and this triangle tip, little bit, you're going to fold it towards this end here, and again crease it well, and again flip your paper towards the front side, and you all are done with the doll. Step 7. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw the doll's face. First we'll draw the hair with the help of curved line. Draw lines this way as I'm doing. Okay, same way the other side. Curve line, just go on drawing the curve line. Same way here. Draw the eyes. nose, and the face. Done with the doll. Lastly, you're going to write the topic name, doll, date, and you're going to stick this doll. So first, take some glue, add 2 drops of glue, 2 to 3 drops. Do not put more glue, and then stick it in the center. And these hands, if you all want to stick, just put a drop here inside and 1 drop here. And you all are done with the doll. If you all want, you all can draw the background and color it nicely. It's up to you all. It's not compulsory, but if you all do it, it will look more beautiful. So I hope you all have understood today's topic. So we made a doll today, an origami doll. So it was easy. I hope you all will stick it nicely and properly. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.